Hey guys, my name is Uno and welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a deep dive into Zynn, an app that recently topped the charts but also got banned from the Google Play Store the other day. So yeah, Zynn is obviously off to a controversial start, and for those of you who haven't heard about it yet, Zynn is a short form video app. It's literally almost an exact replica of TikTok. They both literally almost look identical. And here are two of the apps side by side for comparison. As you can see here, the app's design and interface pretty much looks the same. The main difference is that Zynn has a countdown timer that circles around and fills up, rewarding you with points that you can later redeem via cash or gift cards. Another difference is that Zynn pays you and gives you points to invite other people to download and use the app. Now you're probably wondering how a new app like Zynn gets all this money to pay their users. How do they afford all of this? Well, here's some background info on Zynn. Zynn was created by Kuaishou, a Chinese tech company and main competitor to TikTok's parent company, ByteDance. And Kuaishou is backed by Tencent, which is currently China's largest social media company. Anyways, according to reports, Kuaishou recently received $2 billion in funding from Tencent, and quote unquote, in order to contain the threat of ByteDance. Now that's kind of a lot of money. The Chinese tech company rivalry between Kuaishou and ByteDance and their eagerness to enter the US market is definitely an interesting one. This has led critics here in the United States to call for investigations into these Chinese tech companies, worried that these companies are enabling the Chinese government to collect data, gather private personal information on Americans to potentially use against them in some way in the future, questioning whether the objectives of these Chinese tech companies actually align with the interests of the American people. So now that we have some background info on Zynn, where they come from, who they're funded by, I'll go ahead and take you through the app. Okay, so the homepage overall is very similar to TikTok. Both apps consist of watching short-form, portrait-oriented videos. It has a following and for you section with a camera recording button on the top right. You can heart, comment, and share videos just like on TikTok. And as you can see here, after watching a few videos, I earn points. Sometimes you randomly get awarded like 400 to 500 points for watching a video. I don't really know the reasoning behind that. It's not like these videos are longer or anything. All right, I'm gonna go click into a few user profiles now. Yeah, so overall, as you can tell, they seem kind of sketchy. Like they don't really, I don't think these people actually created these videos. It kind of seems like they just took them from somewhere else. Yeah, like these just don't seem like real people. Honestly, it looks like they just ripped off a bunch of TikTok videos and uploaded them on here. Yeah, I don't think these users are the original creators of these videos. It just doesn't seem authentic. Okay, so now let's click into the points/reward section. Okay, so for simply downloading and signing up on Zynn, you get $1 reward. And there are two primary ways of making money on this app. The first is through watching videos, and the second method is through inviting people with your code to download and use the app, or referral code. So as an experiment over the course of 3 days, I think I spent a total of about an hour or two watching videos. My goal was to try and see how long it would take to earn $1 through watching videos. The thing about Zynn is that you're capped at earning 10,000 points a day, which equals to $1, which is the max you can earn in a single day through only watching videos. So it's not really a lucrative option, nor is it a good use of your time and effort. So as a result of this, Zynn users have resorted to the second method of making money through the app. I personally haven't tried sending out my referral code or inviting friends to download and use the app. As you can see here, it says you can invite 5 friends to earn up to $110. And that's my referral code. So it says here you can earn up to $20 per friend and make an extra bonus of $10 for every 5 friends and invite more with no limit. Okay. All right, so let's see the breakdown of the points that you can earn. So it says earn $20 for each friend you invite, earn $6 when your friend signs up and engages with our content, earn an extra $2 when your friend engages with our content for the next 2 days, and get points up to 120,000 as long as your friends engage with our content actively and redeem them for $12. Okay, so how to earn rewards. Step 1, share your referral code with friends. Step 2, invite your friends to download Zynn and enter your referral code. And step 3, earn up to $8 and 120 points for each friend you invite. Okay. All right, well, that seems pretty straightforward. So after earning a certain number of points, you can redeem it for cash via PayPal or for a gift card from one of these vendors. Since inviting new users is the most lucrative way of making money on Zynn, I've noticed a bunch of users spamming their referral codes in the comments section of the app, blasting it on Reddit, in YouTube comments of other Zynn app review videos, as well as other online communities like Facebook groups and whatnot. And overall, it doesn't make the app look good as a business. When you have a ton of people simply spamming their referral codes out in the wild west of the interwebs, I'm sure some of these people even use a bot to spam all these posts. It's just not a good look. You know what I mean? People online have also mentioned creating multiple accounts linked to the same person in order to get multiple referral codes. So yeah, all these things they seem kind of spammy and sketchy in my opinion. So as you can see here, unlike other apps out there, instead of running ads and other, form of paid acquisition campaigns to market their apps and acquire new users, Zynn has decided to use this pyramid scheme as a growth tactic for their business. So overall, Zynn is a little rough around the edges and looks a little spammy, although their points and payments feature is in fact legit. It's literally a duplicate of TikTok, so there's not much originality there. Okay, so now to answer some of your questions, is Zynn in fact a legit app? And the answer is yes, it is a legit app. It's backed and funded by one of the largest tech companies in China. And can you actually earn money from this app? And the answer is, sorta, kinda. I mean, it depends on how much time and effort you're willing to put into it and how much money you're talking about making. You can definitely make a lot of money by sending out your referral codes and getting other people to download and install the app using your referral code. So there's definitely money to be made there. But overall, that method is essentially a pyramid scheme. And I don't know if Zynn as a company will continue to offer this rewards feature, since I'm not sure if it's actually going to be sustainable. Because at the end of the day, if something seems too good to be true, then it probably is. Overall, I'm really curious to see where this app goes. As of now, it does seem a little sketchy. As someone who does marketing, more specifically user acquisition for a consumer app, I personally don't agree with Zynn's current method of acquiring users. If they're really trying to compete with TikTok, I think that they'd have a better chance if they were to run paid acquisition campaigns and focus on creating a strong community versus simply paying people small amounts of money to download and use the app. This leads to acquiring low quality users who are only on the app for the sole means of making money. They're not there to contribute much to the app at all, besides anything else that would provide them with a quick monetary payout. With plagiarism accusations and getting banned on the Google Play Store, I'm not really sure what the future holds for Zynn, but I'm eager to keep tabs on the app and wait and see. For now, it is available on the iOS stores, so iPhone users, you can still go download the app and check it out yourself. If you have any other questions about Zynn, please feel free to ask me by leaving your questions down in the comments section below. And thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please don't forget to hit the thumbs up button and subscribe. It really helps me out a lot. And I'll catch you all next time.